Good night.
Ingat tayo.
Di klaro.
Bye. Hi. Oh,
Ay.
wala. Say good night.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi everyone. So today is the day that the Lord has made that we are going to Quebec and to Montreal. So we're here na and we're going na. Be with us on our trip. Let's go.
Ha? Hindi.
Wala, walang Starbucks.
Biglang meron.
Ay, sexy mo.
Ano ba to?
Bago mo po si... Oo.
Hi guys, we stop over muna. Saan to? Anong lugar to?
Yan. Diyan ako, pasok ka agad. Dito.
What's up vlog? Hello vlog. Saan ba to?
Lalabas ka ate?
So it's 3 a.m. and we just stopped dito. Hindi ka mag-CCR dahil? Doon no? Sa kanila. We just have our stop over here. I don't know what place is this. Port Hope daw. And since we need to stop for the baby to mag-rest. And look at my eyelashes, guys. This is made by my husband. Shout out to my husband na naiwan sa bahay. I hope you're having a good sleep right now. So magtitimpla muna ako ng milk ni baby habang sila ay nag-CCR. Let's go. Sana. Pala ang aming ride. Wow, ang ganda, di ba? Ano ba to? Hi guys! We just had our second stop dito sa Petro Canada. And nagdedede na si baby. Which is good. Here, look. Alam mo, it's a success. Nagdede. 3 a.m. Ay, hindi lang 4 na yan. 4 a.m. na. Saan continuous niya talagang dede. Hanggang maubos. Nakatulog ka naman? So accordingly, we are already at Kingston and we still have 6 hours on the road. Oh Lord. So kailangan talaga din namin mag-stop because of the baby. Because the baby cannot, cannot stay in the car seat for that long. Punta na ta. Again everyone, so we transferred here sa Teams. There. And Lolo is here. And the baby's here. Tignan nyo that. Pinastretch muna. Kasi, pina-stretch daw muna kasi ganyan-ganyan siya. Ano na siya.
Tapos, napapali. Okay na ka.
What?
Makain mo. Yan yun.
May peanut butter.
Tao. Ang haba naman yan.
Wala na. na akong lakas mag-carry ngayon. Anong oras na? 5 in the morning. No, no. That's so right.
Let's go.
Ay, wala ganda dito ng hito. Yung mga tubig-tubig pa dito.
It's a convenience store. Ang liit naman.
Village pang.
Ay, meron pala.
Ay, oo nga pala. Ilak niya.
Ang alin, ilak.
Yung bar.
Ayun o, stretchy.
Asan na siya?
Oh, my baby. My baby. So guys, maybe you're wondering sino-sino kami nasa trip. So I will show you one by one. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the baby, 7 kami all in all. Say hi, Dad. And then mag-a-adjust ang camera sa kanya. John, our
Hi.
the one who's driving. Edo's boyfriend. This Kay. And Ate.
I'm busy.
We're here already at Montreal. Yeah. Pintas. Wow.
May umutot ba?
Ay, hindi ako umutot. Wag ganyan.
Wow.
Magre-react ako kasi. Ay, feel ko si ate kasi ano, siya una nag-react.
Naiilang ako, hindi ako nauutot.
To the rescue ang mga titos and lolo. No? Tao.
Kaya kasi sabi ko sa'yo.
Eh, wala yung una niya.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Mag-isang.
Oo nga, dark. Ala. Happy na siya, oh. Nakahiga. You happy? Oh! You happy na? Nakahiga ka na? Thank you, Lolo and Titos.
Ide, ayun.
So guys, time check. It's 9:30 in the morning. So actually nasa Montreal na kami. Mga Frenchy na yung mga sinasabi dyan. Born the golf lodge. Self is a volant. Hi guys, so we just arrived here. Ay hindi, ito yung bar. Ito yung restaurant. First,
Hindi. Vamos. Ate.
Sobra
Ano?
pa sa atin.
yung
Mati kayo? Yeah.
Pag kumain ka sa amin, marami ito ka na.
Lucky, where's that though? Where's that though? Ah.
May stability. Stability yan, di ba? Kasi
Kailangan aralan mo muna. Guys, we're eating our lunch in what restaurant? La Chavigny. How do you pronounce your restaurant?
La Chavigny.
La Chavigny.
Thank you. Fish? Yeah, here. Oh, daddy, I remember. Thank you. Burger.
Bon, thank you. Bonde.
Wow, buti pa si Kay. Merci.
Ito talaga.
Tingin nga ng mga ano. Yan.
Mayonnaise, okay. May libre sa side. Diyan. Kaya be careful daw. Mga bata. Isa lang naman yung batang hindi sa lalaki.
Nakapito ka nang wala sa oras, no?
Yung isa kanina pinakuan ko pa. Yung pick up sa
Yung child lockdown.
But kasi naka-child lock.
Nabali ay.
Baby.
Pagod na ito.
Upo. Sa kakaupo.
Pagod na yan.
So we're here, guys. After 10 hours of travel. Finally, we're here. So, we will cut this video here and watch our part 2 of the vlog. We will tour around the cabin or the condo that we are renting. So, see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.